Hello everybody, my name is Junior Avalar and I'm part of the Assabet Valley Auto Collision Program, standing right here behind me. And behind the camera here we have Paul Brazil, another junior as well in the shop. Here is where we park all the cars that we're going to work on in our shop. This is basically where everything goes. And over here we have one entrance to our shop. That's the first gate. And then over here we have an entrance to our spray booth. And then if you follow me, I'll take you on a tour throughout my shop. Over here we have a wash bay, the first part of our shop. First thing about our shop is safety. And right here, we have our wash bay. This is, every single car that comes to our shop comes through a wash, basic wash first, so it'll be clean and stuff when we work on it, and before it leaves, it gets another wash. Right here is basically where we do all of our washing, and right where I showed you as well, is another wash bay. Right here we have our prep area. Where a lot of people paint. We're painting some stuff for our tool kit right now so we can hang up our tools. We're giving everything a blue and gold theme. And now over here we have our dismantle and repair areas. You see students working on this Nissan, and we have a student working on this Volvo right here. Right here is a Volvo spray machine. We have a Mustang on here right now that just got painted. Now we're putting it back together to finish up the job. Over here we have our lift. Currently out of order right now, but still working. Come over here, let me show you the welding area. Over here we got some welding tables with a nice new exhaust system over here on the side. These are welders, and this is a new Pro Spot welder we got this year from the Collision Foundation. Thank you for that. Now over here, we have something pretty cool. It's a unibody of the car, basically like what the car is under all the parts. This is another frame machine where we can pull out bends in the frame and whatnot. Then over here, we got our prep areas where we do some body work along with prepping and priming. As you see right here, we got this all primed up. And over here, this is where we prep our cars for paint. As you see, we have Ray over here masking up the windshield so we don't get any paint on the windshield. Here we got our spray booth. Follow me inside real quick. Over here we got our teacher, Mr. Stakonis, working over here on his Honda. About to paint the bumper. So yeah, that's our shop, and yeah, it was a fun time showing you guys everything. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you to the Collision Foundation.